Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. In order to have access to the spark plugs, it is necessary to remove the cover by sliding it to the right. You should then be able to see the coils covering the ignition spark plugs. With a socket wrench and a 6mm Allen socket, release the 2 holding screws on all of the coils, then finish taking them off by hand. Disconnect the electric socket or the coil by levering pressure on the lock. To remove all the coils, lever on the far right of them and remove them with little back and forward movements. This can be done by hand or with a screwdriver. You can now access the spark plug sockets. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. Lightly coat the thread of the new spark plug with copper grease. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket. Since it is so fragile, start this off by hand, giving the proper support the plug needs before finishing the process with a wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Put all the coils back in, forcing them in as much as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in, then pull the screws back, fixing them in place with a socket wrench and a 6mm Allen socket. Then reconnect the power connector. Once finished, put the cover over the coils. Operation completed.